The number of infections resulting from the Minuwangoda cluster, the country's biggest so far, has now risen to 1,721. A total of 194 infections were reported yesterday, with 80 of them detected at quarantine centres and 114 individuals in self-quarantine. Meanwhile, during the course of today, 130 more people have tested positive for the virus. COVID-19 infections started to emerge from the Minuwangoda COVID-19 cluster on the 4th of October, making it the 10th day today. Sri Lanka saw its highest single-day spike on the 6th of October with 509 reported cases. Barring the Navy and the Kandakadu cluster, the highest number of cases reported in the country so far was from among repatriated Sri Lankans, with a high of 1,534. The number of cases reported from the Minuwangoda cluster now exceeds that number. In such a backdrop, Sri Lanka surged past the 5,000 case mark to stand at 5,169, out of which active cases are 1,799. Further, 3,328 people have now returned to their daily lives following complete recoveries. Meanwhile, Army Commander Lieutenant General Shavendra Silva stated today that if an individual has been referred for a PCR test, all associates of that individual must immediately begin self-quarantine for 14 days.
ඔබගේ PCR පරීක්ෂණයක් කරලා තිබෙනවා නම් ඔබ නැවතත් පවුලේ කවුරු හරිව PCR පරීක්ෂණයට භාජනය කරලා තිබෙනවා නම් ඔබගේ වගකීමක් වෙනවා ඔබ වහාම ස්වාග් නිරෝධායෙන් ලක් වෙන්න. මොකද හොඳ උදාහරණයක් මේකට කියන්න පුළුවන් මිනුවන්ගොඩ කැම්මලේ සේවය නියුතු පෙම්වතා කොවිඩ් ආසාදනය වෙලා තීද්දි පළවෙනි දවසේ අපිම හඹාගෙන ගියා කටුනායක කර්මාන්ත ශාලාවක පෙම්වතිය ඒ ස්ථානයේ ගිහිල්ලා රැකියාව කරන. ඒක අපි ගිහිල්ලා කියද්දී ඔබ දන්නවා නේද ඔබගේ මේ පුද්ගලයාට මේ ආසාදිනලා තියෙන ඔව් මං දන්නවා නමුත් මම මේ ස්ථානට ආවයි කියපු තත්ත්වෙකුත්. මේ වගේ වුණාම ඒ ආයතනය ඊයේ දිනේදී අපි දැක්කා 17 දිනක් පමණ කොවිඩ් ආසාදනය වෙලා තිබෙනවා. ඉතින් මෙවැනි තත්ත්ව වෙන්න හොඳ නැහැ. අපි වගකීමකින් කටයුතු කළ යුතුව තිබෙනවා.
Meanwhile, a driver, conductor and the owner of an expressway bus plying from Matugama to Colombo have been infected with the virus. The three infected individuals are residents of the Badugama, Ovitigala and Yatadola areas. Later, a nurse working at the Colombo National Hospital who travelled in the same bus tested positive for the virus. She is a resident of the Valalavita area in Matugama. Elsewhere, an employee of a garment factory located in the Katunayaka Free Trade Zone tested positive for COVID-19 while being quarantined in Aludgama. He was then referred to the Valikanda hospital for further treatment. With the detection of 5 new cases, the number of infections emerging from the Katunayaka Free Trade Zone increased to 72. In the meantime, a student from Deulapitiya who is sitting for the GCE Advanced Level Examination this year has been diagnosed with COVID-19. The student's sister, who is an employee at the Minuwangoda apparel factory, was recently diagnosed with the virus. Accordingly, the student was subjected to a PCR test and the report came back positive on the first day of the examination. The Commissioner General of Examinations said that the student has now been referred to the Iranavilla Hospital and has been provided with the opportunity to sit the examination in hospital. The Public Health Inspector in charge of the area stated that PCR tests will be conducted on 20 other students who sat for the examination with the patient. Elsewhere in Piliyandala, the mother of a member of the clergy at a temple in Polhena Madapatha has been infected with the virus. She is an employee at a garment factory located in the Katunayaka Free Trade Zone. She had arrived at the temple on the 2nd of October. She was diagnosed COVID positive on Saturday the 10th after she was hospitalized due to health complications. The incident has led to the self-isolation of 75 members of the clergy attached to the temple, as well as 10 others including construction workers at the temple premises. In the latest development on the curfew situation in the country, the Katunayaka police area has been placed under quarantine curfew with effect from 5 a.m. tomorrow. This is the 19th Gampaha district police area to come under curfew as of present. Katunayaka Free Trade Zone employees can meanwhile use their office identity cards as curfew passes to enter the zone after verifying their employment details during the curfew.
Lever Ayush Karabu Neti Danta Lepaya Shaktimat Datti Palakata